Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, sir.
Wait.
So, so
Wait for a minute. Yes, tell me.
So what are we supposed to do after finding the values of A and B? I mean, how are we
Yeah.
supposed to?
That is my question for you today. For everyone, to you, everyone. What we are supposed
Sir,
to
can you
do.
repeat? Sir, can you repeat? Sir, I came late. Just now I came, sir.
Just now I have started
Which
with
question
it.
is?
Just now we have
Oh, okay.
started.
Sir.
This
Sorry.
is my first line. This is my question to you guys. What we are
So what?
supposed to do. Yesterday you did, na? Did some one question I did for you, right?
Sir, can you show that question once again after we finish it today? So we could copy? Yeah.
This is the question.
Yes, sir, can we write it down now?
Yeah, please write it. Those who have not written, please write it and then we will discuss what we are supposed to do. Chinidhi,
Yes, sir.
tell me your thought on that. What we are supposed to do.
So since we are subtracting two variables minus A and minus B, we are supposed to subtract A plus B from the expression. I guess I'm not sure about
A
it.
plus B. Okay. So that means you're telling we have to subtract A plus B. And A plus B value we have got it.
Or
Can you
AX
hear
plus
me?
B.
Yes. Yes, Rahul. Prakash here.
A plus B or AX plus B.
Pardon?
Excellent.
Yes, Srinji, tell me.
Hey.
Vidyut. Yes, Srinji, tell me.
So maybe we are supposed to subtract A plus B or the AX plus B. I mean,
No, tell me one thing. You tell me what is your thought, what we have to do.
so A plus B.
A is 1 and B is 5, so 6 we have to subtract. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who can tell me
Sir,
what
can
to
you show the
subtract?
question? Can you show the?
Yes, anybody else? Vaibhavi, where are you? Nidhi, Navika, Arinjay. Vidyut is writing. He is not interested in answering. Any thought? Tarun?
Sir, I
Is it
didn't
big
hear
enough?
the question, sir.
Yeah,
I
it's
came
it's
little
your
late.
email, Rahul.
Okay. Any thought, anybody? I mean,
Sir, same as Srinidhi because I think we should subtract 6.
6. Okay. Why? Hit
Sir,
with 3.
because in the questions it is given that 2x plus 6, and then in the next step we have taken 2 minus a and 6 minus b. So in the question it's like we have to add it. So we add a plus b, and then in the question again in the problem it's given we should subtract it. So we should do a plus b and then subtract the whole from the polynomial.
No. Yes, Kaushal.
Sir, we should divide it.
We should divide it by 6. Kaushal. You come, you go. I mean, I'm. Anybody else?
So can you repeat the question, please?
Have you written this, Vidyut? Everything. Vidyut, have you written this?
I'm still writing.
So you first finish writing. Others, I guess, have written this. This is interesting thing. I mean, we have done everything. Solution is in front of you. Just have to tell me this we have to do. It is right in front of you. Somebody should answer me. Somebody from you should answer me. Arinjay. Lohit. Should I give hint? Am I audible or not? No answer. Am I audible?
So what's the question?
Yes, sir.
What's the question? Yesterday's question, you remember?
Yes,
What is the minimum number? What is the what you have to subtract from this polynomial so that it becomes divisible by? Sorry, divisible by that I have not written. So it becomes divisible by x square plus x minus 6.
Okay, so
Yesterday we were doing one question.
Sir,
Wait. Yeah, question is here. What should be subtracted from this so that it becomes divisible by 2x square plus x minus 1? This is what we were doing it. Or I changed the question. Wait. Okay, that also is okay. X square, 4x square, yes. Yes, this is the question. Yesterday I in fact solved it for you. Still you have to do what should be subtracted from fx so that it becomes divisible by gx. This is the question, and we have done everything. Yes, Srinidhi, you were telling something.
nothing, sir. I was just asking to scroll up a little
Okay.
bit.
Okay, so somebody can explain me what I did yesterday for this question? Anyone?
Sir, I can explain.
Wait, anybody else? Strange. That also you cannot explain. So you have not understood. Now tell me genuinely, yesterday this question what I solved, have you understood it or not? Tell me genuinely.
Understood, sir.
One, understood. Any other?
understood.
No, it understood. This Vaibhavi, this sure word means what? What is the meaning of sure? What you are unsure of it then? Either you know or you don't know. Yes, 3 of them have responded. Others?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Didn't understand. Yes, anybody was 4. I got 4 out of 17.
So when you told me to log in again, then I tried. There
You did.
was
Did
a
you
startup.
understand? Did you understand or not? Yes or no?
Sir, half I understood, half I didn't.
Achha, okay. Next. Others though is purely seeing the cricket match, IPL 2020, isn't it? You cannot say ki I have understood, or you cannot say I have not understood. In between.
So partially I've understood. Partially.
Okay.
Sir, like I understood the first half, but then I didn't get it.
After interval, you did not
Sir,
understand.
only first half.
Okay, first half. This
First half.
was first half was clear.
First half.
Achha,
First half, sir.
now so many in first half. So after interval, it was not clear. Suspense is still not clear, right? Shyam though is not telling anything. I mean, Shyam is fully not. Nidhi,
So
don't
like
speak.
kind of.
What is this kind of means? I don't understand this. Kind of. Okay, I will do it. And then understand it line by line, because next question you are supposed to do. Same question, but you are supposed to do. Understand it. And once it is done, you are supposed to do the second question, which I'll give you, and I want individually to show me. Every individual has to show me. So the question is, what must be subtracted from 4x to the power 4? Who has written in chat? 4x square, 4x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 minus 6x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 6, so that it is, the result is exactly divisible by 2x square plus x minus 1. This is the question. First thing, yesterday I showed you, after dividing it, that what will be the remainder? Remainder, like in, can it this be in this form? Remainder can be in this form. Ritvik? Ritvik,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can the remainder be in this form when we divide this by this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. How? Why it will be in this form, Ritvik? Yes, Shyam. Can the remainder in this form? Yes, then why? No, then why?
So like there's no C in the XOGM.
Pardon?
So like in the reminder, you have written C.
Huh.
But
I'll
then
not write it. See, I'll write it this. Can the remainder be in this form? After dividing this by this, can remainder be in this form? So second wicket down. Batting ke liye next one is Sanjana. Come, Sanjana.
Third, I don't know.
Okay, third wicket down. Then fourth one. Okay, she has joined. Fourth one will be Kaushal. Fourth down. Come, Kaushal. Let's play cricket. Can the remainder be in this form?
Sir, no, sir.
Why no?
Sir, yesterday you told only the last two terms that x and the remaining number can be in remainder form.
I didn't get. Come again.
Sir, yesterday you told that the last two digits, like the 2x plus 6, like in that standard form can be the
Which
remainder.
standard form?
So like ax
Ax.
plus b.
Okay. Why in this form? Why not in this form?
So because when you divide it,
Hmm.
if there's any remainder, it will come in this form.
It will come in this form. Why? Remainder can't come in numbers like 4 or 6 or 10.
Sir, it will come in that form, but it can come in any number.
Anybody else now? Fourth wicket down. Fifth wicket. Yes, Tarun, come. You will be middle order. Tell Tarun. Can you say middle order?
So for remainder, Like, so we are dividing this, a remainder can either be number or it can either be value, but I don't see it can see the b over there because everything on the upside is x.
Acha. So upside is xy. This is not. This is without x.
Not everything, sir. Like last one is a number, so it can either remainder can either be a number or a value with x.
Value with x. Why? Value with x only. Why? Why? No, this is also with x.
Like if we somewhere we see like we get minus and then you have to convert into plus sign. So like if, for example, upside there is 1x square, so like down is 2x square, so it becomes 3x square.
Acha.
So it can come like that.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Yes, Nachiket.
Sir, I told you that
First half. This is first half only. Before first half, before interval, this was taught.
so I don't remember you telling
Acha,
me.
that also first half you don't remember exactly. Nidhi is sitting very quietly. Yeah, come Nidhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
X square won't come because it can still be further divided because in the gx there's 2x square.
Very good. You can say this way that degree of the remainder, this line I yesterday told you, degree of the remainder will be either equal to or less than this one. Sorry, degree of the remainder should always be less than this one. Then it cannot be further divided. Degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of this. So this cannot be written in, remainder cannot be in x square form because it can be further divided. But when the remainder is in only x, ax plus b form, then this cannot be further divided. Is this statement clear? If it is not clear, you cannot understand this sum. If it is not clear, please raise your hand. Mary, I know you will struggle what I am talking, but just listen. We'll discuss later how to do it. Yeah. Tell me. Yes, Sanjana, I have not understood. Anybody else?
No, sir, I've understood.
Oh, you
I
have
raised my hand.
Okay, you have understood. Okay. Okay, if you have understood, then I'm going ahead. So step one, what you have to do, this is fx, 4x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 2x plus 6, correct? Now we have to subtract something, the remainder, the whatever you divide, that remainder we have to subtract, correct? So can we write that remainder as this? This we are subtracting it. The remainder will come in this form, correct? Just now I explained why this remainder will come in this form. That we are subtracting so that this becomes divisible by gx, that is 2x square plus x minus 1. Is this statement clear?
Yes, sir. Now I understood what we are supposed to do with
Yeah,
it.
you have understood. Good. It took 24 hours, Srinidhi. Yesterday I told you, you have to do
No, sir.
something.
Yesterday you did like 2 minus a into x plus 6 minus b.
Correct.
So
What is that? Now I'll tell you, Srinidhi. I'll tell you. Can you write it? Can you mute your mic? 4x square minus 2x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 2x plus 6 minus ax minus b, and can you again write it?
Okay.
Okay, understood.
So we can take x common
2
into
minus a, and here 6
6.
minus b. This is what I wrote yesterday.
I was close.
Confused. Full.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now you have understood. Let others understand this.
Yes,
what I
sir.
want to explain. Any doubt in this? what you have to subtract, that I have written it here. This, once you will subtract, this will become, this fx will become divisible by gx. Now our aim is to find the value, this value. What is this value? Okay. Now, come, Kaushal. Kaushal,
Sir,
let's do the factorization. What I have to do?
sir, you have to split x, sir.
Huh? That I know. How? You tell me. Whatever you will tell, I'll write it here.
Okay, sir.
Open your camera. Yes. Yes, tell Kaushal. Whatever you will tell, I'll write.
Sir, you have to split x into
Yeah, I know. Split. How to split?
2 minus 1.
2x square I have to write. Then I have to write 2
Yes,
plus 2
minus 1.
minus 1
X, bracket x.
bracket x. So I can write 2x minus x
Yes.
minus 1.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm rewriting it. 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the product is minus 2x square and the sum is x. Correct? Now,
So take 2 and x common.
okay.
It will be x minus plus 1.
Okay.
Then you
Next.
have to take 1 common.
Plus 1 minus 1.
Sir, plus 1. Sir.
Achha, plus 1. Okay. Then what is left out?
Take x,
Hmm?
sir, bracket. Sir, it's minus 1. Sir.
Okay. I'll tell it minus 1. X.
Not that, sir.
Ah, ठीक है. Minus 1 common. So what is left out?
Sir, x plus 1.
Plus 1. Next.
So then it will be x plus 2 minus 1.
2 minus 1.
2x minus 1.
2x minus 1.
Bracket x plus 1.
So you got, Kaushal has factorized it. Now we have to equate with, that is gx equals to 0. So why we are equating it 0? Because this will be the 0 of this polynomial. So 2x minus 1 x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to 1 by 2. Here x plus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1. Till this point, anyone has any doubt? We have done the factorization and we have found the 0 of the resultant polynomial. Any doubt? Please raise your hand. No doubt. Okay. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to, since x 1 by 2 and x minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, including this one. So we will replace this value. What will be x? If I say this is f dash x, so f dash 1 by 2 will be equals to, Nachiket?
Sir.
What will be f dash 1 by 2 equals to?
Sir, 4 into 1 by 2.
Tell me the value. What will be the value? What should be the value?
So I didn't.
X is equals to 1 by 2 and x is equals to minus 1. This is the 0 of the polynomial f dash x. So what will be f dash 1 by 2?
0.
Why 0?
Sir, because we have to find the.
बहुत मुश्किल है. Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Sir, because we need to find if it's subtracted from the other
No,
that
the
fx.
Nachiket told me that f dash 1 by 2 should be 0.
Yes, sir.
My simple question is why?
Sir, because we need to f dash 1 by 2 needs to be divisible by gx. That's why.
So you can say 1 by 2 is the 0 of f dash s. Correct?
Yes.
So when you are replacing 1 by 2 in this f dash x polynomial, it should be 0. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm replacing it. 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus 6 into 1 by 2 square plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 6 minus a into 1 by 2, and this will be also minus b. Correct? Any doubt? What I did, I replaced x value as 1 by 2 everywhere. No doubt? Okay, I'll go ahead. 4, 16 minus 2, 8 minus 6, 4, and this will be 1 plus 6 minus a by 2 minus b. 4, 8, 2, 4, 4, so this gone. 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, so this gone. So 2. So we can write minus 3 by 2 plus 7 minus a by 2 minus b, which should be equals to 0, correct? So we can write minus a by 2 minus b equals to minus 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 7. We can write. So 3, 14. So this we can write it as 2 minus a minus 2b. Just 2 and 2 gone. Minus a minus 2b equals to minus 11, or a plus 2b equals to 11. Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Equation 1. No doubt. So second zero of this is minus 1. So f dash 0 will be equals to 0. Sorry, minus 1. This is minus 1. Minus 1. F dash minus 1 will be 0. So we'll replace minus 1, 4 into minus 1 to the power 4, minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 3, minus 6 into minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 6. And what is left out? The subtraction what we did. Minus ax, this one. Minus ax minus b. So minus ax minus b. Any doubt till here? So this will be 4. This will be 2, negative 2, positive negative minus 6, negative 12, positive a minus b. Anyone has any doubt here till here? Or anything you're finding?
So how did that minus 12 come?
Sorry, minus 12 and minus 6. This is minus plus minus 6.
No, sir, minus 6 you've
Sorry,
already
sorry.
written. It is minus 2.
Minus 2. It is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6. Correct. I'll
Yes.
rewrite it. 4 plus 2 plus minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 plus a minus b. This 6 is gone. 2 gone. So what is left out? 4 plus a minus b, which is equals to 0. Correct? Or a minus b equals to, we can say a minus b equals to minus 4. Equation 2. Now, two variable to you will study later. So what I will ask you to do, replace, you can write it as minus 4 plus b. A is equals to minus 4 plus b. And can you replace this in the equation 1? A is minus 4 plus b, replacing in equation 1. Minus a के जगह in for a we have written minus 4 plus b plus 2b equals to 11. Correct? So minus 4 plus 3b equals to 11. Three b equals to 11 plus 4. 3b equals to 15. B equals to 5. And same way, if b is equals to 5, what will be a? Minus 4 plus 5. A is equals to 1. So we got the value a and b. Now, who will answer me? Yes, Vidyut, tell me what has to be subtracted. Vidyut.
Sir, my father has a meeting. I can't speak, sir. Like.
Okay. ठीक है, no problem.
Sorry, sir.
Vaibhavi, what has to be subtracted?
Sir, ax minus b, that is equal to 1 into
Tell me the
minus
answer.
1.
Tell me the answer, Vaibhavi.
So 1 second.
Everything is done. The others who have the answer, please raise your hand. What has to be subtracted? Srini, I know you have. Anybody else? Anybody? Deepika. Okay. Then Vaibhavi to okay. Anybody else? No. Seriously, you don't know what has to be subtracted. Lohit. Yes, Vaibhavi, you tell me.
So minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay, Navika. That's the wrong answer, Vaibhavi. Navika. Ayush. Yes, Ayush, tell me. Ayush, tell me. Ayush.
Sir, we need to subtract 6 in B.
Okay, 6. Okay, very good. Wrong answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ritvik.
Can you show me the question once? Can you scroll up?
You don't have question?
No, sir. I was. Yeah.
So what I was teaching you didn't follow?
No, sir. I followed. I wasn't writing it down.
This is the question. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Navika, what has to be subtracted?
Sir, x minus 5.
X minus 5. Sorry, wrong answer. Nidhi?
Sir, x minus 5.
X minus 5. That's the wrong answer.
So can I answer?
Yes, Vaibhavi, answer.
Mostly it's x plus 5.
Mostly. What is left out in that then? Mostly means to almost. Mostly means mostly this work has to be done, but sometimes you cannot do it. So what is that
So we
left
just
out thing?
x plus 5.
Mostly
No,
x plus 5. Why x plus 5?
so because when we equate all of this using like a plus b in the equation, we get x plus 5.
Why you are making so complicated?
So can I say,
Yes, Lohit.
sir, is it 1x plus 1?
1x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Yes, Deepika, you also try. Give a try. Deepika. Deepika, I can't hear you. Arinjay has raised hand. Yes, Arinjay, tell me.
X plus 5.
Why x plus 5, Deepika?
So the value of A is 1 and the value of B
Where
is
are
5.
you?
So
Where are you? I can't. Anyway, yeah, tell me. Value of A is
1 and value of B is 5.
okay.
So AX plus B is equal to 1 into X plus 5, which is X plus 5.
Yes, that's the answer. That's the answer. I have already written that let's subtract AX plus B. And with all this process, you have found A value and B value. A is 1 and B is 5. So replace that value. X plus 5 you have to subtract so that this becomes exactly divisible by GX. With this, what I have initially only I told you, let's subtract AX plus B. Why AX plus B? Which I gave you the explanation. AX plus B, we have subtracted it. And with all this process, we have found value of A and value of B, which is 1 and this is 5. So AX plus B is what? X plus 5. This you have to subtract it. Why X minus 5 and all those things, all stories you are making? Simple. Is it clear?
So,
Is it clear?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vaibhavi.
So yesterday when you had given this question, I had done it in like divided gx with x. Yeah,
That
I
is
divided
the
x
long
with
division
gx.
method. That is long division method, and in that also you will get x plus 5.
Yes, sir. That's what I got.
That's a long division method. We are doing it through remainder theorem.
Sir, can you explain again?
Which one? Which part?
Sir, the x plus 5.
X plus 5. Initially I said okay, let ax plus b, let's subtract ax plus b from f dash x so that this f dash s becomes divisible by gx. Okay, I told you, na?
Yes, sir.
This is fx. And the question is what you have to subtract so that this becomes divisible by gx. So let's subtract ax plus b. I have subtracted ax plus b from this. So this we can name it as f dash x. And now this f dash s is a is divisible by gx, that is 2x squared plus x minus 1. We got the value of x and y. We replaced the value here. With that replacement, we found a and b value. So what has to be subtracted? This has to be subtracted. What is this value? X plus 5, because we have found value of b and a. So x plus 5 need to be subtracted from f dash x. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yeah, meeting over.
Yeah, for father just got over. Sir, is it very compulsory to take b to the other side, minus b to the other side while doing the equation?
Arey Vidyut, mathematics is not only one process. You can do with multiple process, but answer will come same. Yesterday also you told I took this b other side, and you took the other side.
No, sir. Like I'm asking, is there any like reason to take the b?
No, this is the way. Vidyut, tell me. 2 plus 3, you will make it 5.
Yeah.
First you are adding 2, then adding 3. and it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will add 3 first and then 2. Then also it will become 5. So you
Yeah.
will tell that this is the wrong process or this is the wrong
No.
process. Same
No.
thing. Yesterday also you had the same question. Same type of question.
Yes, sir.
You can do with any process, but the process should be correct and answer should be correct.
Sir, I
Yes,
was
sir.
disconnected.
Disconnected. Anybody else has this problem? Any doubt? No? I'm giving the next question. Write it and do it and show me. Same type of question I'm giving. What must be subtracted from x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 6 so that it is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. Quickly do and raise your hand once you're done.
So
Yes, Shindy.
this question I had already found the A and B
No,
value
you have found the value, na? Okay, you are after this chapter is over. Factorization. Have you done those questions which I gave you?
exercise which you sent yesterday, I did that also.
Okay, I'm giving the next few questions. And I have given the answer also. Check your answers. Srinidhi? Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
next few question and with every answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe you're done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait.
Sir, I'm just having a doubt, sir. Like, suppose there's minus in the other side, sir, while doing transposition. So, like, both the minuses will get cut. Like, suppose minus 3a minus b is equal to
Minus 3a. Let me
minus
write.
b.
Minus
Suppose
3a minus
a
b
minus b
equals
is
to
equal to minus 3.
Hmm.
Minus 3a minus b is equal to minus 3, sir.
So
3a.
what you will do? Minus you
So,
will take common 3 plus b, and here is minus.
no. Sir, what I so minus 3a. So same method only. We should cancel the minus and it will become 3a plus b
But
like that.
you cannot cancel like this. Minus 3a minus. Sir has told, so I'll cancel this minus. It
So you
has
have to keep
be
it common.
Common.
Yeah.
Both is common then only.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Vaibhavi, you have done it, na? Okay, send me on chat your answer.
Sir, I got disconnected. What is the question we should do, sir?
It's written.
Oh, okay, sir.
What you have to subtract from fx.
Sir, I sent it to you.
I'm just checking. No, wrong. Baby.
Sir,
Trinity.
you have sent only 22 questions, but then in the solution there are 32 questions.
Yesterday I gave you remaining one. 22 question I gave you yesterday, and today I gave you from 23 to 34 question, and the answer for all 34 questions.
Yes, sir. I checked my answer. All answers are correct.
Okay. So from 23rd to 34th you can finish.
Okay, sir.
Shinidhi, you can send me the answer of this question which I have given to others. What's your answer? It's on chat.
So this it's
On
to the
chat.
power
On
4.
chat. On chat.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have sent.
Let me check.
So should I send it on WhatsApp? I'm done, sir.
No, nothing on WhatsApp. Have you got
No,
it? You should put it on chat.
So like, how do I send a photo on the
Photo
chat?
I'm not asking. I'm just asking your answer. Yes, Shinidhi, that is correct answer. Okay, go ahead and do the factorization.
Sir, even I
Wrong
am
with
done.
youth. Wrong with youth.
Sir,
Yes.
even I am done. Should I send you the answer?
Yes, send me the answer. But Srinidhi, you had doubt ki what has to be subtracted. So you did it today or yesterday only?
No, sir. Today I did it.
After
you said
explain. Okay.
the last one step alone.
Okay. Yes, Navika, very good. Well done. Correct answer, Navika. Deepika, correct answer. Yours is correct, Deepika, Navika, Srinidhi. 3 of them have shown me. Navika, Deepika, and Srinidhi. Others? This type of question from last 2 days we are doing. Yesterday we did, and today again full. Almost its time is almost over. So almost 1.5 hours for these 2 questions. And still you are struggling. Deepika, Navika, have you done the revision of factorization, class 8 factorization?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then first exercise is class 8 only. There is nothing new in that, which I'm sending you right away after the class. And then you can start doing this. Others, anybody else can give me?
I sent you another answer. Is that correct?
Another answer? No, I have not received. I have received only one answer, which is wrong.
I sent 2 answers, sir.
Vidyut, no, that is also wrong, Vidyut. That is also wrong. Then so it is tough.
So 1 second, I'm just trying it. 1 second.
When I'm explaining, you're saying, okay, understood. When I'm giving question, you're struggling.
Sir, I've sent it. Can you check?
Sanjana. Yeah, correct answer, Sanjana. Tarun, wrong answer. Yes, Sanjana, come online. Explain everyone. Come. Come online fast.
Yes, sir.
This one, webcam.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just explain. Explain what we have to do.
Yes.
The way I explain, you have to explain in that way.
Yeah, so first, gx is equals to, we will factorize that.
Gx we will factorize. So let's factorize it. Let's factorize it.
Yes. So it's x squared plus 3x
plus 3x what happened
minus
to
x
minus x
minus x minus 3.
Minus 3. Now
Minus 3.
I've written minus.
Then
Shyam, your answer is correct. Nitin, your answer is wrong. Vidyut, your answer is wrong. Yes, Sanjana, tell me fast.
so can you hear me?
It's very difficult to hear you.
Sir, I sent it in WhatsApp.
So, Sanjana, can you explain?
So can you hear me?
I can, but it's coming in bits and pieces.
Is my answer correct?
No. Lohit, no.
Sir, I just now sent it.
Just now I'm seeing it.
So then we will take x common.
Okay.
Then x plus 3. Close the bracket, minus 1. X plus 3.
Okay.
So x minus 1 and x plus 3.
Okay.
Then x is equals to 1 and the other one is x is equals to minus 3.
We are equating it to 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 and x plus 3 equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now.
So then we'll take, we'll keep P1 is, then we'll keep 1 to the power 4 minus 2 like that.
Okay. So
We'll substitute the value of 1.
So we are telling that we'll substitute the value 1.
Yes, sir.
1 to the power 4 plus 2 into 1 to the power 3 minus 2 into 1 to the power 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 6. Correct?
Yes, sir. And after that, minus ax plus b.
So a into 1
plus b.
It is in bracket, so I'm opening the bracket. So minus b, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll write it this way: ax plus b. So you have replaced, you have opened the bracket and both are in minus, correct? So 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus a minus b. So this gone, 6, 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 minus a minus b, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which is equals to 0. So we can say a plus b equals to 11. This is what you got?
Yes, sir.
First equation? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now second equation.
So p minus 3.
Minus 3. So minus 3 to the power 4 plus 2 into minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into minus 3 to the power 2, then plus 4 into minus 3 plus 6 minus 3a minus b. Correct, Sanjana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is 981, and that's minus 27 to 54
Minus 54 minus 18.
plus minus 918 minus 12 plus 6 minus 3a minus b. Correct? Now 50. Now what is the value here? You have to calculate it. So 54. This is 84 and 84.
So it's 3. It's 87 minus 84.
So 3 minus 3a minus b equals to 0. We are doing it, right?
Yes.
So 3 minus b. So we can write it as minus 3a minus b equals to minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Or we can write 3a plus b is equals to 3. Correct? This is second equation.
Yes. So the first equation I got minus 11.
Sorry, minus 11. Yes. No. How come
No,
minus 11?
no. So
How come
I got
minus-
minus 3. I got 11 positive. I got 3 as minus 3. I didn't get positive 3.
First equation or second equation?
The second equation I got minus 3.
How come minus 3? Wait, let me check. So 381 positive. This will be negative, negative. 27. This will be positive, negative. Correct? This is negative. This is plus 6. Minus 3a minus b. And what you have got?
Sir, I got. Oh, sir, while doing the bracket, I wrote minus 3, but then I got it as
But
3.
still you got the answer.
Oh, yes, sir, yes. I got 3a plus b is equals to 3. Yes,
So
sir.
here can we write it at a is equals to 11 minus b?
Yes.
So we'll 3 into, replacing that value here, 3, 11 minus b plus b equals to 3. Correct?
Yes.
33. This will be 33 minus 3b plus b equals to 3. 33 minus 2b equals to 3. So we can write it as 33 minus 3 is equals to 2b. 30 is equals to 2b. b is equals to 15. Is it right?
Sir, I did it in the other way. I subtracted 11 minus 3.
Wait, 33 minus 3.
So I got B15. I got B15, sir.
Wait, B15.
So B
3.
is 9, right?
That's what I'm just checking it out where we
Sir,
have done
even I
mistake.
got B as 9.
So let's check it out. Did you get this second statement? Hello.
Yes, sir, we got it.
Yes, sir.
This is the second equation. 3b plus 3a plus b is equals to 3.
Yes, sir.
And first equation is a plus b is equals to 11.
So A minus B is equal to minus 11.
So even I did that thing. A minus
Just let me check it.
equals
Let
to
me
minus
check.
11.
So 1 square plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus a minus b. So 2 gone. 11 minus a. 11 minus a minus b is equals to 0. You got?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a plus b is equals to?
So,
Sir, I got a minus b equals to minus 11.
so it's
How?
11 plus plus A minus B.
Sir, I got it as A minus B is equal to 11.
A minus b is equals to 11.
I got a minus b equal to minus 11 because 11 is going to the other side.
Yes, sir. Even I got A minus B is
This
equal to
one,
minus
this
11.
one, can we write it as 11 is equals to a plus b? Did you get this one? All of you got this one. 11 minus a minus b is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am taking a to the other side. It will become positive. A plus b is equals to 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a plus b is equals to 11. This is what I have written.
Yeah, got it.
A is equals to 11 minus b.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I
Now,
did the same mistake in second equation also.
now
And
second
then
equation. Just hold on a second. Why then?
So it is
Can
3a minus b, not minus 3a minus b. It is 3 plus 3a minus b.
3a, this is minus, yes. Just hold, no. Just hold on a second. 3 minus 3a minus b is equals to 0, correct?
No, sir. I got 3 plus 3a minus b.
No, that's
So
what we
second
want to
equation-
understand. We want to understand where is the mistake. Minus
So,
3 to the power 4 plus 2.
So when you're substituting the x value, it is minus 3. I guess you substituted it with plus 3.
Okay, is it? I have substituted 11
Or
minus b.
even I got the
So in
same
the-
equation as
Sir, I
Trinity.
got 3a minus b equal to minus 3.
So in the second step, x is equal to minus 3, right? So when if it is f minus 3,
Wait. Is this statement clear, correct or not? That we have to find it. So for
that
this,
is wrong, sir.
that's what I have to check. Minus 3 to the power 4 plus 2 minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 minus 3 to the power 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 minus 3a.
So it is minus ax, not
Minus ax,
plus
yes.
a.
It
So that is
mi-
plus 3 minus b.
minus. This will be plus, because why this will be plus, I'll tell you.
Sir, in the equation that you underlined, 81 minus 54 minus 18 minus 12 plus 6, that is plus 3a, not minus.
This is here, it will be minus a into minus 3 and minus b, which will eventually become plus a, correct? The mistake was here, plus a. So this becomes plus a, plus a. So this becomes, so we can write it. So we'll write it 3 plus 3a minus b equals to 0. Correct? This is 3, na? 54, 30, 34.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now 3a minus b equals to minus 3. This is second equation. Now replacing the value. Now replacing the value of a in b. So 3 into 11 minus b equals to minus 3. So 33 minus 3b minus b equals to minus 3. Correct? So 33 minus 4b equals to minus 3. So we can write it as we can write it as 33 plus 3 is equals to 4b. The 36 is equals to 4b. B is equals to 9. Correct? Now B is
Yes,
9.
sir.
Now B is 9. Replacing the value here in B, for finding the value of A is equals to 11 minus 9. A is equals to 2. Correct? So we got the value A as 2 and B as 9. So what we have to subtract?
2x plus 9.
A is here. This is what we have subtracted. So A value you have 2 to 2x plus 9.
I got messed up in that. I got equation 1 and equation 2, but when it came to substitute, In that, I did mistake.
So I
Yes,
made
sir. Same. So
I
same. I
got
made a
33.
mistake.
I
in
got
that.
33 minus 4b and minus 3. After that, I just got like confused and I cut it and did it other way.
ठीक है.
Sir, I got my answer as 2x minus 9. I made the sign mistake.
Okay. ठीक है. So you have mostly you have understood, correct?
Yes, sir.
All of you have
Yes, sir.
understood. So
Yes, sir.
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
straight away we will start factorization. We will not touch upon this polynomial anymore. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please
Sir.
send. Who all have not sent, please send polynomial NCRT and RS Agarwal. Tomorrow is factorization. Same time.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to send it in WhatsApp, sir.
What I have sent in WhatsApp?
To send that polynomial and RS Agarwal in
Yes,
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Yes, everyone
Okay,
has
sir.
to send.
After the class, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am will come for
Thank you,
science.
sir.
Ma'am will come for science.